Preston, hope you had a great first week back.
This week's assembly is on integrity. Discuss now in your classrooms what you think integrity means. Teachers, pause the video here. So what does integrity actually mean? Discuss now in your classrooms. To help us understand what integrity means, I'd like you to think, what would you do if you saw a wallet on the ground? Let's see what Miss Davey and Miss Patel think.
So I would look inside the wallet and see if there's any identification in there to hand it back to the person, or I would hand it into the shop so the person could collect it from there.
Well, if they dropped it on the ground, it's their fault, so I'd just pick it up and keep all the money for myself. Finders keepers. Now I would like you to discuss in your classrooms, who do you agree with, Miss Davey or Miss Patel? Use the sentence stem, I agree with, because. Teachers, pause the video here for a discussion.
In your discussion, I hope that we all agreed that I was right and Miss Patel was wrong.
So from this, we know that integrity means being honest and always doing the right thing. So, showing integrity means you are truthful in your actions. Hiding your actions when you know they are wrong is dishonest. To show integrity means you say what really happened. This means you take responsibility for your actions and you're showing independence and maturity. It also means you tell the whole truth, even if you think you'll get in trouble for it. Us teachers really appreciate everybody telling the truth. Showing integrity means only doing things that are morally right. From this, we know that stealing, cheating, lying and blaming are all wrong. Watch carefully at the following clips. Is he showing integrity? Have a think in your head. Discuss with a partner, what is he doing wrong and what would be the right thing to do? Do you think he's showing integrity? Teachers, pause here for a discussion. Let's watch this next one. What do you think here? So, what about here? Discuss with a partner. What is he doing? Do you think he's showing integrity? And what would be the right thing to do instead? Teachers, pause here for a discussion. Now, let's have a look at the final clip. Is he showing integrity here? So, what did you think there? Was he showing integrity? Now I'd like you to listen very carefully to the next two clips. Do you agree or disagree with the following statements? Show your teachers a thumbs up for agree or a thumbs down for disagree. Get ready to explain your answers in a discussion.
If you see a person cheating on your test, just tell the teacher.
So, do you agree or disagree? Discuss and explain your answers in class now. Now, what about this one?
The best thing to do when someone is hurt and on the ground is just to walk away and leave them.
So, do you agree or disagree? If you disagree, please explain to your class what you would do instead. What would be the right thing to do? Teachers, pause here. We hope you've enjoyed our assembly on integrity.
We have sent your teachers some tasks to check how well you've listened. Please tweet and tag us with all your fantastic work. Bye!
A massive thank you and shout out to my amazing Year 3s, Kane, Oliver, Tia and Anea for some fantastic acting. Well done.